Guys, hello. Good afternoon, good morning. I didn't take my lunch yet. That's why good morning. And today I will show you how is a Brazilian restaurant. Here the restaurant work in a different way. For example, you pick your food, you put in a plate and you put it to see how many kilograms it is. What's the weight of this, so you pay by the kilograms. So today I came here because I'm in the downtown of my city, and I will show you more or less how is the buffet and everything, and how is the price. For example, 300 grams 3.69 or 100 grams 3.69 per 100 grams, and then of course that is the kilo. So it depends how much you put in the plate. That's the time will be the price there, and I will show you everything. Come with me. This is my auntie. Look. Yes. No. Say hi to my vlog. Hi. She doesn't speak Portuguese. Say hi.
Okay.
Fala oi.
Hello.
Isso. Now she speaks. So here's the buffet, a little bit like healthy. Yakisoba, you see? Asian food, because the owner is an Asian. Salad.
Tchau, obrigada. Bom fim de semana.
Obrigada, igualmente. Isso aqui é carne. É carne de soja?
Carne de soja. Aqui a comida eu tô aproveitando.
Ah, tá. So this is the buffet here. Here is another buffet. Look, we always use pasta, like this is pancake with bolognese inside, French fries, polenta. I will put here down what is in English: fish, egg, always beans, and feijão, that is black beans, rice, and our salad. This is some condiments and the salad. So we have to take the plate here. Look, we take everything. They have sanitize, so we need to take this, to take the plate, and then we pick whatever you want here in the line. And here I will show you another. Look, this is the famous chicken sauce. That is potato. Pancake again, look. Regular pasta, so it's only oil and garlic. Beans again, and rice and pasta and salad. So let's see the price. Here they always have a jelly of strawberry. This one they serve cafezinho, and here is the place where they put for you to see the weight and how much you're gonna pay. Jelly, strawberry. And then if you want, you can pay 12 reais and to take one of this and pick whatever you can, look, for to bring home. And there is the price, for example, livre, you can take it all you can, 15 reais and 34 reais per kilo. You pick what you want and you put in that balança there, over there, and you see how much it will be. So everything is for sanitize, because we are still in pandemic. And is this, tia? And then, o que nós vamos comer? Quer comer ali na carne? Melhor, né? A gente pega um churrasquinho. Vamos? Então vamos. Obrigada, tá? And here everybody share the tables. Look. famous here in Brazil, vinaigrette. Look. It's onion, tomato, and salsinha. It's a green onion. Then there is beans. But I can... Ai. Quer pegar? Pode pegar.
Não, não, não. Não vou voltar.
This one I can eat a little bit.
Aqui,
Look. This one I can eat. The black beans no, because I'm on diet. I will eat a little bit of this. This one. This is rice, but it's not the white one. It's for fit food. Egg, I already take one. This fish. Pancake, but it's heavy. I don't want to eat this now. This one is all carbo, so I will not take. Look, pasta, and you can put the sauce as well. And this is a famous abóbora, sweet one, but I will not take. And this is pastel. It's very famous here in my place. Pastel, look. It's fried with, how can I say? It's with meat, grain beef inside. This for sure is with cheese. Yeah. And this is famous here in Brazil, is farofa and farinha. Look. Farofa and farinha. But not it. Now I will come for the best one, that is meat. This is the churrascaria, so it's all there, getting cooked. And I will pick up.
Não, pão com alho.
Pão com alho, não.
How much?
Sim. Fechou, meu bem.
Olha, jovem, bom apetite.
Tem coraçãozinho?
Coraçãozinho? Tem.
Look, my auntie's food. She take a pancake. And now he remove the coração.
Posso por aqui?
Pode. Obrigada.
Somente?
Só.
Quer coração?
Só isso, tia? Não vai pegar carne? Não, eu não quero coração.
Não?
Tu tem alguma carne aí boazinha?
Tu gosta mais assada, mais uma passada ao ponto?
Depende de qual carne.
Bovina e suína tem.
Bovina, qual que tu tem?
Alcatra.
Só? Contra filé não tem?
Não, contra tem, mas tá mais sequinho já, ó. Daí tem uma minha, mas dá uma passada.
Não, alcatra. Mas daí alcatra não tem nada de gordura, né?
Alcatra tem, ó. Tem
Tá,
uma.
tu me dá um pedacinho então, mas... Isso. Assim tá, em fatia?
Como
Em
que é?
fatia,
Que
assim.
assim?
É, porque pega um pouco da gordura.
Assim? Fininha
É.
assim?
É. Ai, mas esse daí tá muito... Tá, pode ser, pode ser.
Posso por aqui?
Pode. E deixa eu ver o que mais tu tem.
Tem o frango desossado, tem o... Esse contrafilé tá muito sequinho, né, pra ti? Tá mais gordinho, ó. Você gosta assim?
Quero. Pode sim ter...
Inteiro?
Não, aquela ponta ali não tá muito boa, né?
Qual? Essa
É, assim tá bom, assim tá
Assim?
bom. Isso. Ótimo, pode ser os dois.
Ficou bonitinho.
Ficou.
O que mais, gente?
Tá. So this is the price.
Alguma bebida?
Agora não, né, tia? So guys, this is my food. Look. So this plate of food, I will put here the price is 15 reais. In my money, it's reais 15. And then this is my auntie. Look, she take pancake, salad, white rice, and we're gonna eat now. Later I talk to you. guys, so we are going out from here now, and I hope you like it. And of course, this is a regular restaurant only in the middle of the downtown. It's not really a big restaurant that they have a lot of choices, especially we are in pandemic. They are trying to really, you know, prepare less and don't waste the food. And I hope that you like about Brazil and you're liking these videos. Just thumbs up for me and subscribe here below. Ciao!